Hey guys, it's Shannon. Welcome back to another Quick Tip Tuesday. So today I wanted to share with you a little secret that I have, and I'm sure some of you probably do this as well, but I wanted to share this with everybody just in case maybe you never thought of it before. So pillows. We all have lots of pillows on our couch, especially with the farmhouse theme. We like that cozy feel. There's all kinds of great pillows out there with texture and cute sayings like this one behind me. And we just like to throw those everywhere. Beds, on our couches, cozy chairs. But it gets pretty expensive, right? Whenever you're having to buy the covers as well as the inserts. So here's my little secret for you all. I actually don't buy the inserts that are made for like a 14 by 14 pillow that you would find in the quilting section or the fabric section at the craft store. I actually buy these deep pocket pillows from Walmart. So these are actually only $2.37 each at my Walmart anyway. I'm sure that prices will vary depending on your area and location, but that is a huge difference compared to the $10 and over that inserts will cost you at the craft store. Even if you go to Walmart and look for the pillow inserts, they're gonna cost you 3 or 4 times what a regular pillow costs, like this one. So I know you're thinking to yourself, how in the world does a big giant pillow like this fit into a little bitty pillow cover like this one? Well, it actually does. I mean, these are not the highest quality. They're pretty flimsy and thin, and you just keep stuffing away and they will fit right into your pillow covers. So I hope that this tip helped some of you out there. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up so I can keep bringing you this Quick Tip Tuesday series. Also hit that subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Hit that bell as well so that you don't miss when my videos do go live. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye guys.